Richard Radke here with multiple income funnel and 5 income streams, and you only have to share one link. So let me tell you a little bit about what all you get with that. First of all, if you go into here, and it shows you all your links. These links, by that I mean they're capture pages with a link attached to each capture page, and there's lots of them, so you can use whichever one you want, and you can use more than one. I do, depending where I'm sending them to. And then if you go in there, it shows you, and if you go into training, there's 3 kinds of training. First of all, we get weekly training, and then we get market system training, which really gives you a lot. If you watch all those videos, you'll learn a lot about how to market better. And then if you go back into training again, you see the 7-step training. First one is work. That means work on yourself, on your personality. Then lesson 2 shows you how you can get traffic and where and how to do follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook, and lesson 6 shows you how to block time to do this. And then lesson 7 is some more bonuses in there. And then if you go back in again into the system, then if you go here, it shows you all the leads you get, and each lead has an email to it, so you can email them all, which I do, and because you should definitely follow up with them, because they won't necessarily join by the first time. So, and then you got a leaderboard, shows you who's all on the leaderboard. Then you got a resources, and the resources is basically samples of follow-up email, and you can use them or you can use your own, whatever you want, but you should definitely do follow-up, because like I said, people do not necessarily join by the first time they see something. Then if you go into there, it shows you all the businesses you got, and then you've got a bonus income. I'll get back to that later. And then if you go in, okay, that pretty, let's see, what else did I want to tell you here? If you go back, okay, now we're going to start here. If you go into the first step, that's this video right here where Mark shows you all about the opportunity and how to get started. The link I'll have a link below the video that'll show you how to get into this video, and also that you can join with the same link. And he'll explain all that to you. And then if you got step 2 and step 3, you can put your own opportunities in there. But if you don't have any, you can take a look at what I got. And if you like them, you can use them. They're both great opportunities. And then if you go into step 4, that's traffic authority. They have a training. They also have great leads. They've been in business for over 10 years. And then if you go back, and then if you go into the bonus lead, bonus income, that's another one I use, which you get for $1 a day, you get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads, and you can email them with this system, which is included. And if you get somebody in there, then you get 200 leads a day, and you also can make some commission with that. So that's a great opportunity for that kind of a money. And then if you go back into, okay, now that pretty well tells you everything that you get with it. Now let's say that you like that and you want to get started. Well, you go to step 1 and you listen to Matt do the video, and then it shows you how to join and where to join. And like I say, the link will be there. And then you can check out step 2 and 3, which I have if you like them, and they're each under $10 a month. So they're a great opportunity for $10 a month. And then if you go to step 4, you can buy leads from Traffic Authority if you want. It's up to you, and they're very good leads. They've been in business for over 20 years, 10 years, pardon me. And if you the more you buy, the cheaper the lead is, but it's up to you if you want to buy any or how many. So let's see, what else did I want to cover? I'm thinking that's just about all I wanted to tell you today. And if you, I hope you guys are having great weather. We're still having great weather. Great weather here. Like I say, some places are having lots of snow and cold weather already. I hope you're not having too much winter where you are. And that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I'll talk to you another time. Bye for now.
Hey, it's Mac, and congratulations.